Alright, so now we are ready to put down our underlayment, which is the Schluter-DITRA mat, onto our subfloor, which is the plywood. So remember that we put down the primer. Primer has now dried, it's been about an hour, and we are ready to install the mortar, and then we will put the DITRA mat down. Now I'm using a 1/4 by 1/4 inch trowel. It's important for this particular product. Used to use an 8 by 8 trowel for the DITRA, but for this particular product you need to use 1/4 by 1/4, which lays enough mortar for it to set properly. Alright, so let's get some mortar down. Now when you mix this mortar, you'll see that it is wetter than normal. This again is the Kiesel product, but this actually is again the Servolite, the wall mortar, because it sticks really well, and that's why I use it underneath the DITRA mat, because what I want to stick to the plywood and stick to the mesh underneath the DITRA. So you can use the trio, the floor tile mortar, that's fine. You don't have to go out and buy an extra bag, but if you have some, this stuff works amazing. So lay out your mortar. As well, you want to know how much mortar, how far you're going to put the mortar across. You don't want to just try and do the whole floor. You don't want to try and lay out the whole floor in one shot, because then you'll be stepping in it and it'll just be a real big pain. So the mortar is set, and now we need to install the DITRA mat. So tuck it under any door jambs first, because you'll need to undercut your door jambs before you get to this, and then set it in place. So first, just give it a quick check over, make sure everything's good, and it's down well. Now is when you grab your grout float. If you have a wooden grout float, even better. It's actually a wooden float. This is an epoxy grout float, and it works really well for this. So what you do then is push it down, so you're pushing it into the mortar so it grabs. Across the middle, and then go up the sides. So inside, outside. Then do the other side so the whole thing is covered. Now, if you're still unsure about it, best way to check to make sure you've done things right, just peel up a corner. And as long as there's 100% adhesion, like there's 100% mortar on the floor and 100% on the DITRA mat, you're good to go. And that's really all there is to putting this stuff down. Now for this particular product, I highly recommend you allow it to dry overnight, or at least for like 4 hours or so, because to try and tile onto this afterwards, a lot of the time when you're trying to pry up a tile, the DITRA mat will come with it because of the pure suction. There's just so much suction of you prying up a tile that the mat likes to come with it, and it pulls off of the mortar when it's not fully dry. So I highly recommend you do this one day and then tile the next. And that's how you install the DITRA mat.